to help people who need to grow and develop a higher level of professionalism in what they do. So anybody from a step up that's going from a worker into a trainee supervisor or up into supervisor level, through the supervisor ranks and up into the department manager ranks, I've lost count of the amount of people that we have spent time with growing and developing their skills. With one client, I've been going there now for 2 years. This is our current client, this one is, for 2 years. And they give me select people to work with, and my job has been to help those guys drive down their incident rates and drive down the equipment damage costs. And what we've done over that journey is that we've managed to be able to do that very well, but it's highlighted then quite a lot of mature leadership skills that are missing. And so every week I go to work with these guys now and I build those skills accordingly. And so there's nothing better than coaching people, and when they're able to work at that higher level successfully, it's a really good feeling of achievement that we've got there. I've also bought into this company called LinkPad, and LinkPad is a really terrific organisational development. So training, a lot of the times they call CTS and they say, you've got to come and work with our supervisors because they're killing us, right? So come and fix them up. So you go and fix the supervisors up, but when you go away, it's likely that the old culture remains and things revert back. So LinkPad's about changing workplace culture. It's about going in with the highest level of the organisation and building a plan about what do you want to do here to change the way you do business. And what we found with the whole, and if you take one of our folders there, you'll see there's some case studies for LinkPad in the folder. And by implementing what we call a mental fitness program, so mental fitness is about the health and well-being of the organisational culture. Mental health is about the wellness of the individual. So we're about the mental fitness of how an organisation operates. And by doing things in a certain way, we can really make a compound difference to the way an organisation operates. And as a consequence of this, you take one company here, for example, we have saved them over $1.4 million in workers' compensation premiums over 3 years. There is normally such great return on investment benefits, whether it's through workers' comp or whether it's through a reduction in safety incidents or a reduction in the costs of operating. In one job, we went from 11 supervisors who were supervising for 11 out of 12 hours and almost having 24 fatalities a year. Over 2 years, we took that down to 6 supervisors, only having to supervise for 8 out of the 12 hours. We moved more dirt over the summer period, and actually in 1 month less over that summer period than 11 supervisors used to be able to. We're doing that with 6 supervisors. And half of those supervisors were step-ups out of the operator ranks. So we were able to identify key people and grow and develop their skills and make a compound change for the way that business operated. And like I said, that business saved $1.4 million alone just on their workers' compensation premiums over that 3-year period that we were there with them. So LinkPad's a very exciting project and it's very proprietary, so you won't find out much about it. We've just signed a joint business relationship with PwC, that's PricewaterhouseCoopers, and they're the biggest service agency in the world. And we've rolled this out to Western Australia with them. Next year we take it nationally, and the year after that we take it internationally. So it's a great opportunity to participate in something brand new in industry, but it also then allows us to work with all of our partners around here and silo work that is required for the development of people inside a new culture back into the training organisations. And we will be making a big inroad into aged care and those sort of things in time to come, and we just happen to be sitting in the right building with the right people.
Yes.